Good morning and welcome back again to my channel. I'm Hindali and this is Science Equals Fun. Theme 1 Systems Concept 1 Adaptation and Survival. Can you stay and breathe underwater all the time? I'll give you a minute to think. No, you can't. Can fish stay and breathe underwater all the time? I'll give you a minute to think. Yes, it can. So how can fish stay and breathe underwater all the time? This is today's lesson. Lesson 5 is about adaptation of fish to breathe underwater. We've said before that we use our lungs in breathing, while fish have gills to breathe. So fish have gills to breathe instead of lungs in human. So fish use what to breathe? Fish use gills instead of what in human? Instead of lungs in human. As a human we have lungs and fish have gills. Fish have gills. Fish have gills and we have lungs. Now after we've known about the gills, we need to know where we can find these gills on a fish. Gills are found on the sides of a fish's head, under bony flaps, that have the ability to open and close. So bony flaps have the ability to open and close. And gills are found under these bony flaps. In the previous lesson, we learned about how do lungs work. Today we'll learn about how do gills work. Water enters the mouth of the fish and passes across the gills. Then blood vessels in the gills carry oxygen gas to the rest of the body. So the water enters the mouth of the fish. Don't you forget that the water that enters the mouth of the gills carry oxygen gas. So water enters the mouth of the fish carrying oxygen gas. And then in the gills there is blood vessels. These blood vessels carry oxygen gas to the rest of the body. Okay. Fish use gills to take in oxygen gas out of water and release carbon dioxide. So there is a take in and release. Fish take in water and then the gills take out oxygen from the water and then the gills release carbon dioxide gas. So gills take out oxygen gas from the water and then release carbon dioxide. Gills take out oxygen gas from water and then release carbon dioxide. So fish gills. So gills take out. So fish take oxygen gas out of water and release carbon dioxide. Gills are unique structural adaptation that allow fish to live and breathe underwater. So gills are structural or behavioral? Structural. Why? Because gills are part of a fish's body. So gills are a unique structural adaptation that allow fish to live and breathe underwater. Let's move to another point, which is it changes in the ecosystem. We've said before that ecosystem includes living organism and non-living organism. So who caused the changes in the ecosystem? These changes can be caused by nature or can be caused by human. As we've said, changes in the ecosystem can be caused by nature or human. Now let's talk about changes in the ecosystem caused by nature. 1. A change in temperature. 2. The amount of rainfall from seasons. 3. Severe weather events such as winds. 1. A change in temperature. 2. the amount of rainfall from seasons. 3. Severe weather events, such as winds. 4. Wildfires and floods change the nature of plants that are available for food, causing increases and decreases in predators and prey populations. And population means amount of animals or amount of individuals. So wildfires and floods change the nature of plants that are available for food, causing the increase or decrease in predators and prey populations. And as we've said, population means the amount of individuals. The amount of individuals. So wildfires and flood change the ecosystem. Now let's talk about the changes in the ecosystem caused by human. The changes in the ecosystem caused by human. 1. Cutting down forests. 2. Plowing grassland. 3. Introducing plants, animals, and diseases that were never part of the ecosystem. Introducing plants, animals, and diseases that were never part of the ecosystem. 4. The exhausts from cars and some factories, causing air pollution. 5. Bad habits, such as throwing waste materials in waterways, causing water pollution. 6. Watering the soil with water polluted, causing soil pollution. Air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Plants and animals are affected by changes in the ecosystem caused by humans. When air, water, and soil get polluted, some animals can survive by moving to another ecosystem to find what they need. Plants depend on seeds to land in a better place for them to survive and grow. So animals move to another ecosystem. Plants depend on seeds to land in a better place. Humans are also affected by changes in the ecosystem, where air pollution makes the human hard to breathe. Water pollution makes the human hard to find clean drinking water. Air, water, and soil pollution makes the crops can't grow. So air pollution makes the human hard to breathe. Water pollution makes the human harder to find clean drinking water. Air, water, and soil pollution make the crops can't grow. Now let's talk about the role of human to help restore the ecosystem. 1. Replanting the cleared forests. 2. Removing the pollutant of air and water. 3. Reserving plants and animals in these ecosystems. 1. Replanting the cleared forests. 2. Removing the pollutant of air and water. 3. Reserving plants and animals in these ecosystems. Okay, thank you for watching. If you need anything to ask about, just comment below, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.